I'm so excited to be sharing one of my EdTech passions of green screen in the classroom. Now, I'm not talking about your 10-year-old green screen where you spend hundreds of dollars on software, editing equipment, and green screens. Nope, I'm talking about something quick, easy, students will be creating in no time, teachers are going to love the engagement and the creativity they get from their students. I'm talking about using doing. See this weird green wrinkle behind me? See all these different shades of green? With doing, it takes them away with one click. How awesome is that? I've never seen something more engaging for students and unleash their creative beast. Now, all you really need is an iPad or iPhone, you'll need the app Doing, and you'll need a green screen. Don't go get those $200 green screens. Check out your dollar stores. Check out Fabricland, Joann's, and Michael's for some cheap fabric that you can make a giant screen so they can get the whole body on there. Now, what can we do? Well, let's see. What can't we do? Take all your usual things you might do, a book report, a diorama, and let's go 21st century. Let's put them in the diorama. Let's reenact the book report. Let's do some history lessons. Go around the world. It's time to digitize your diorama. If you like what you see, check out my other web videos that can create all these projects. They show you what they are, and then step-by-step tutorials on the iPad on how to create for your students, you, and let's create something amazing. Check out our playlists and other videos about using Doing and green screen in the classroom. Here you'll find sample projects, things your students can do right away, and simple tips and tricks about green screen.